Brinda Adige, the point is, this is the Chief Justice of India. It's an observation, but it's going to go down the chain. It's going to go down the chain at how courts look at these cases. And it's no good saying that it's just a verdict. It's not a verdict. It's just an observation. It's no good saying that this is a complex case, because even if, let's say this is a complicated case and eventually the accused is able to prove his innocence. I don't know the merits or demerits of the case, and I'm not getting into them. I have a huge problem with marriage being invoked in a rape case at all. Why are we responding with the idea of marriage in a rape case at all, Brinda?
See, first and foremost, we need to place on record, Barka, that almost all the structures in our country continue to be patriarchal, irrespective of what they talk about, policies or schemes or, special courts for women, them be trained to be sensitive. All of that is a lot of eyewash. Now we need to look at, why would this marriage be considered the ultimate final settlement to put back that honor of that woman, as if the honor of this woman lies in her vagina with the torn hymen? Where did this kind of an idea come about? It is patriarchal. Let's also place on record that it is having a lot of religious connotations, irrespective of which religion the woman belongs to, which caste she belongs to, and whichever culture they might choose to follow or not follow. All of this clubs together to tell this woman that, listen, your sensuality, sexuality, everything that you are is in your vagina. So if somebody raped you and that honor needs to be re-established, reconstituted, instituted, then you have to be married by this man. So my question is, so men really have no honor. They're all dependent on women for their honor. And this information, like you said, irrespective of what might be the verdict and the end of this case, a lot of this statement is going to be reiterated, and we will be hearing the resonance of it down up to the last police station.